Alright everyone, here on a Cadillac CTS. This is a 6-cylinder 2003. As you can see, I am working on the starter. I took out the catalytic converter, part of the pipe here. It's hanging down right there. I changed the O2 sensor. I think it's bank 2, sensor 1. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong. I'm trying to see if I can change the top one there. I gotta look and see where the connection goes. But this is a starter, and I wanted to show that I was trying to connect these two here to start it, and all I had got was a spark, but nothing. This is a crank no start. Online forums explains different scenarios you can use to check if it's the ECU and yada yada. So I know I'm just cutting straight to the point because you can see, you have to take out the shield first, which I have here on the floor, right here. So basically I'm going to change the starter at this point because there is no spark at the starter. I had got a little spark. Initially, I disconnected the battery already. But usually when you want to check the starter if it's working, you would connect these two to jump it, and you would be able to hear the starter go. But I tried all the jumping from the relay, the fuse box to negative. All those things didn't work. So I came and tried to jump it here, and all I got was a little spark. So that tells me that this, I believe it's the solenoid on top of the starter, probably has gone, even though the starter looks fairly new. The top bolt on the shield was gone when I took it off, so that shows that it was changed recently, or within some time, because it looks fairly new. So there's definitely an issue with the starter, so I'm going to take that out, and we'll take it from there.
This holiday season, give your loved ones the best. Verizon Unlimited with 4 lines for $40 per line per month. When you've got New York's #1 network, there's nothing